Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flowspace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 10. We will study 12 new vocabulary words together. The words are distress, drench, dwell, juvenile, outstanding, proceed, register, sift, spree, tardy, unfit, and variety. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is distress. Say it with me, distress. Distress can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, distress means deep worry, suffering, danger, or trouble. As a verb, distress means to trouble, upset, or make someone worried or unhappy. For example, helicopters can help rescue people in distress. Another example is loud noises may distress our sick neighbor. Some synonyms are anguish, anxiety, grief, bother, disturb, and irritate. Some antonyms are joy, delight, calm, comfort, and soothe. What situations cause distress? How can we help someone in distress? Our next word is drench. Say it with me, drench. Drench is a verb. It means to wet or soak completely. It can also mean to cover or fill completely. For example, a night of rain is enough to drench the field. Another example is, the sudden storm drenched our clothes. Some synonyms are saturate, flood, douse, and sop. Some antonyms are dry and parch. What can drench you on a rainy day? Have you ever been drenched by rain? Our next word is dwell. Say it with me, dwell. Dwell is a verb. It means to live in a particular place. It can also mean to remain, stay, or keep your attention on something. For example, do you think humans will one day dwell on the moon? Another example is, many birds dwell in the forest. Some synonyms are inhabit, reside, linger, and remain. Some antonyms are leave, depart, and move away. Where do animals dwell? Where would you like to dwell someday? Our next word is juvenile. Say it with me, juvenile. Juvenile can be an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, juvenile means not fully grown, meant for children or young people, or foolish and immature. As a noun, juvenile means a young person. For example, his juvenile pranks are so annoying. Another example is, the play has a big part for a juvenile. Some synonyms are youthful, childish, child, and minor. Some antonyms are mature, developed, and adult. What makes behaviors seem juvenile? What is the difference between a juvenile and an adult? Our next word is outstanding. Say it with me, outstanding. Outstanding is an adjective. It means standing apart from others because of excellence. It can also mean unpaid or not yet finished. For example, the firefighter was praised for her outstanding bravery. Another example is, she did an outstanding job on her science project. Some synonyms are remarkable, great, noteworthy, and superior. Some antonyms are ordinary, regular, usual, and average. What makes a person outstanding? Can effort help someone become outstanding? Our next word is proceed. Say it with me, proceed. Proceed is a verb. It means to go on, continue, move forward, or start again after a pause. For example, we must proceed directly to a hospital. Another example is, after the break, the class will proceed with the lesson. Some synonyms are advance, progress, and continue. Some antonyms are recede, retreat, stand, stay, and stop. When should you proceed carefully? What helps you proceed with a difficult task? Our next word is register. Say it with me, register. Register can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, register means an official record book, a range of voice or sound, or a machine that records data. As a verb, register means to sign up, show on a scale, notice, or understand. For example, how many names are in the class register? Another example is, we must register for the camp today. Some synonyms are roster, catalog, ledger, enroll, enlist, and join. One antonym is withdraw. What do you register for at school? Why is it important to keep a class register? Our next word is sift. Say it with me, sift. Sift is a verb. It means to put something through a strainer to separate it. It can also mean to sort through or examine carefully. For example, please sift the flour before baking. Another example is, we had to sift through all the papers. Some synonyms are separate, filter, screen, and examine. Some antonyms are mix and combine. What can you sift in the kitchen? Why do people sift through information? Our next word is spree. Say it with me, spree. Spree is a noun. A spree is a lively or wild outburst of activity. For example, the prize was a 30-minute shopping spree. Another example is, we went on a cleaning spree before guests arrived. Some synonyms are riot, binge, bash, fling, and splurge. Some antonyms are calm and restraint. What kind of spree sounds fun? When can a spree become too much? Our next word is tardy. Say it with me, tardy. Tardy is an adjective. It means not on time, delayed, or slow-moving. For example, have you ever been tardy for school? Another example is, the tardy bus made us late. Some synonyms are late, overdue, and sluggish. Some antonyms are early and prompt. What can help you avoid being tardy? How do you feel when someone is tardy? Our next word is unfit. Say it with me, unfit. Unfit is an adjective. It means not suitable, not proper, not good enough, or unhealthy. For example, the muddy water was unfit to drink. Another example is, he felt unfit for the long race. Some synonyms are improper, inappropriate, inadequate, unqualified, and incompetent. Some antonyms are suitable, appropriate, qualified, healthy, and fit. What makes food or water unfit? When can a person feel unfit for an activity? Our last word is variety. Say it with me, variety. Variety is a noun. It means change, lack of sameness, or a number of different forms or types. It can also mean a category of plants or animals. For example, variety is the spice of life. Another example is, the market sells a variety of fruits. Some synonyms are diversity, difference, and assortment. Some antonyms are sameness and unity. Why is variety important in life? What things come in many varieties? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 10. Let's read them one more time. Distress, drench, dwell, juvenile, outstanding, proceed, register, sift, spree, tardy, unfit, and variety. Keep practicing these words so you can understand them, remember them, and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.